Hey, fourth graders. This week in Bible class, you've been learning about having compassion for other people. And we looked at the story of the Good Samaritan and how he came and helped the injured person. I want you to take that story from the Bible and I want you to rewrite it, making it a story that would apply to today. So, for example, you're going to change the setting of the story so that it is located in North Carolina or somewhere in the United States or somewhere around the world, but in today's time. Today's time. So you're going to change the time period. So this man isn't going to be laying on the ground in the time of Jesus, on the side of a road. You're going to be thinking about in today's world. Where's he at? Where's this man hurt? Then I want you to think about who is it that walks by him and doesn't stop to help him? In the story in the Bible, in Luke chapter 10, verses 30 through 37, we see like the high priest walk by, some different people who you would think would stop and help, and they don't. So I want you to think about some people from today's time period who you would think would stop and help a hurt person, and they don't stop and help. Then I want you to think about who is it that does stop and help this hurt person? Somebody you wouldn't be expecting, just like we would not expect the Samaritan to be the person who stops and helps. Who is it in today's world that you would not expect to stop and help? And I want you to rewrite this story and put it into today's time period. You're going to submit it to me on Class Dojo. If you write it on a piece of paper, you're going to take a picture and post it on Class Dojo. Or you can sign into Class Dojo and you can type it right there in the assignment that I create in your portfolio. Okay, I cannot wait to read what you write. I'm sure it's going to be really interesting stuff. So do your best to be creative and to hit all of those points. Where is it located? Who walks by and doesn't help? And who is it that does finally stop and help this person that we wouldn't expect?